Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your maths class. So, what are we doing today? Today, we are revising numbers from 1 to 10. So, in previous classes, we have already done numbers 1 to 10. So, let's revise it quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very good. So let's revise the numbers from 1 to 9 first with their spellings, and we are going to count it also. So you have to count the number of objects and read it, and then you will write it on your own in your books. So 1. O-N-E 1. How do we write 1? 1, 2, 2. T-W-O 2. 1, 2, 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F-I-V-E 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. S-I-X 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N-I-N-E 9. So you are going to revise and write, learn, revise, write all the spellings from numbers 1 to 9. Now, this is a very interesting activity. There are some fingers given. We will count the number of fingers and match it with the number of objects. First one is done for you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to match it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to match it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have matched the fingers with the number of equal balls. So you can play this game with your friends. What you can do is, this is called a gesture game, and you will show 5 fingers to your friend, and your friend has to show 5 fingers but in a different way. So for example, if you show 5 like this, your friend can show 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you show 5 like this, your friend can show 5 like this. So there are different ways by which you can show 5 in your fingers. Now, let's think that how many suns do you see at night? No sun. We do not see any sun at night because there are 0 sun at night. And how many moons do you see at noon? No moon. 0. Okay? So, 10th birthday. What is 10th birthday? So, when anyone is 9 years old, next year, that child will celebrate their 10th birthday. तो जो 9 years old का बच्चा है, वो next year, अगले साल कितनी years का हो जाएगा? 10 years का, और वो अपना कौन सा birthday celebrate करेगा? 10th birthday. So what is this girl saying? I am 9 years old and after 1 more year, एक साल और बाद, I will be 10 years old. So we get number 10 after number 9. तो number 9 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? Number 10. And you see number 10 में कितने digits हैं? There are 2 digits in number 10, 1 and 0. So you have to draw the number of buttons to make the total number of buttons as 10. Okay? So for example, यहाँ पे 3 buttons हैं, आपको कितने buttons और बनाने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And total now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये total हो गए 10 buttons. तो जितनी भी empty spaces हैं वहां पर आप buttons बनाएंगे and आप देखेंगे कि कितने 5 are given, 5 more makes 10. Now let's follow the pattern and write the number pairs of 10. What are number pair of 10? Number pair of 10 मतलब कि जैसे अभी हमने किया कि 9 and 1 more कि मतलब कि 9 and उसके अंदर अगर हमने 1 add किया तो हमें क्या नंबर मिला? नंबर 10. Okay? So 9 or 1 is equal to number 10. Similarly, when we have 8 fingers and we have 8 fingers. How many fingers are left? 2 more. So 2 more makes it 10. Similarly, when we have 3 fingers, we need to take out 7 fingers more to make it 10. When we have 4 fingers, we need to take out 6 fingers more to make it 10. When we have 5 fingers in one hand, we need to take out 5 more to make it 10. Okay. Now, you can circle the number and the number name with the same crayon. So, on the next page, there are number names given and there are numbers given. So, आपको number name read करना है और उसको proper number के साथ match करना है with the same crayon. So, if we say this is number 9, so where is number 9 written over here? Number 9 is written over here. N-I-N-E 9. We will circle it and इसको भी हमने circle किया red color से. Correct? Similarly, so number 6 with a green color. And where is 6 written? 6 is written over here. S-I-X 6. So 6 is written with green. So I have circled both the number and the number name with green color. Alright. Now if this is 10. And where is 10 number name? Here it is. I have circled both with yellow color. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Next is 1. O-N-E 1. Next is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Next is 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. And the next is 2. T-W-O 2. And the next is 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. So similarly, you are going to circle the number and the number name with the same color. You can go to a jungle safari if ever you get a chance and count the number of animals over there. Now you have to draw a path from number 1 to number 9 in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? Alright. Now you can make your own number cards from 1 to 9. तो आप लोग एक cards लेंगे different उसके ऊपर 1 to 9 लिखेंगे and then you are going to use different color papers, stick or draw equal number of objects on the number card. Alright? How can we do this? आप जैसे आपने यहाँ पर लिखा इस पे number 8, इसके ऊपर आप 8 बिंदीज को stick कर सकते हो. Similarly for number 2, number 3, so all the numbers from 1 to 9. Now what is greater than and smaller than? In the previous chapter we have done more than and less than. जो ज़्यादा है वो more than है, जो less है वो लेस दैन है. So greater than and smaller than is just a different name for more than and less than. ठीक है, तो जो भी ज्यादा चीजें हैं, जो ज्यादा नंबर है दैट इज ग्रेटर, और जो कम छोटा नंबर है वो है स्मॉलर. नाउ हाउ डू वी नो दैट विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर एंड विच नंबर इज स्मॉलर? लेट्स रीड इट. अ नंबर दैट कम्स बिफोर द गिवन नंबर इज द स्मॉलर नंबर. तो अगर हमारे पास दो नंबर्स हैं, जो नंबर पहले काउंटिंग करते हुए पहले आएगा दैट इज अ स्मॉलर नंबर, and a number that comes after the given number it is a greater number. तो जो दो नंबर है जब हम काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं, जो नंबर बाद में आता है दैट इज अ ग्रेटर नंबर. ऑलराइट, ऑल्सो द नंबर दैट इज क्लोजर टू जीरो on the number strip is the smaller number. So what is a number strip? हमारे पास एक ही number strip है. We also call it number line. We start from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it goes on. Right? So जो नंबर 0 से ज्यादा पास है वो छोटा नंबर है, और जो 0 से जितना दूर है वो उतना ही बड़ा नंबर है. So for example 2 is nearer, okay, and 5 is farther from 0, so 2 is smaller and 5 is bigger. Also when we speak the counting 1 2 3 4 5, तो counting बोलते हुए जो 2 है it comes before 5, that's why 2 is smaller than 5. Okay, so this is a symbol which shows the smaller number. तो if we have 2, if we have 5, तो इन दोनों में से जो स्मॉलर है वो 2 है, तो हमारा सिंबल ऐसे आएगा. ऑल्सो मैं आपको इसका एक बहुत शॉर्टकट बताती हूँ. जो एलिगेटर होता है ना, उसका माउथ ऐसे ओपन होता है. एलिगेटर हमेशा हंग्री होता है, तो जो एलिगेटर है उसको बड़ा नंबर ईट करना होता है, तो वो हमेशा अपना माउथ बड़े नंबर की तरफ ओपन करके रखता है. ऑलराइट, सो इट इज the alligator is opening the mouth on the bigger number. So the bigger number is 5 over here. That's why alligator का जो mouth है वो बड़े नंबर की तरफ open है. ये देखो symbol that shows the greater number, है ना? तो ये है symbol greater number show करने के लिए alligator का mouth open. Right? Now you have to color the biggest number. Biggest number out of these is 9. When we start counting, जो 9 है वो 2, 4 और 6 के बाद आता है, and तभी जो 9 है वो एक greater number है, और 0 से 9 सबसे दूर है. Now we will put less than or greater than sign to the smaller number. Okay? Out of 8 and 5, which one is smaller? 5 is smaller. तो हमारा एलिगेटर का माउथ ओपन हुआ ग्रेटर नंबर की तरफ. Out of 3 and 4, 4. Out of 3 and 2, 2 is smaller, 3 is bigger, greater. 6 and 1, 1 is smaller. 5 and 4, 4 is smaller. 6 and 8, 6 is smaller. Let's put the sign to the greater number now. Out of 8 and 2, 8 is greater. 3 and 2, 3 is greater. 6 and 4, 6 is greater. 4 and 5, 5 is greater. 5 and 7, 7 is greater. 8 and 4, 8 is greater. 9 and 6, 9 is greater. Alright? Now comes our next topic, which is called ascending order. Ascending order means जब आप लोग क्लास में खड़े होते हो, सब हाइट वाइज खड़े होते हैं, जिसकी हाइट सबसे छोटी वो सबसे आगे, और जिसकी हाइट सबसे लंबी वो सबसे पीछे. सो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर का भी सेम मतलब है, सबसे स्मॉल से बिगर की तरफ जाना. ऑलराइट, असेंडिंग का मतलब इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर भी होता है. So when the numbers are arranged, जब हम numbers को arrange करते हैं from the smallest, सबसे छोटे से, to the largest, सबसे बड़े तक, it is called ascending order. Numbers in ascending order, they go up. तो जो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में जो नंबर हैं वो हमेशा बढ़ते हैं, वो ऊपर की तरफ जाते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 this counting is in ascending order. So just remember that ascending means going up and descending means going down. So what is descending order? Descending order is the opposite of ascending order. मतलब कि सबसे बड़े से छोटे की तरफ आने को we call it descending order. When numbers are arranged from largest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Numbers in descending order, they go down. So that means if we are counting downwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. तो मतलब कि हमने सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा नंबर बोला, फिर उससे स्मॉल 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 स्मॉल, फाइनली सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो डिसेंडिंग एंड डाउन, दे बोथ स्टार्ट विद डी. दैट्स व्हाई डिसेंडिंग का मतलब डाउन, गोइंग डाउन. ओके. What you can do is over here you can arrange these buttons in descending and ascending order. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. You have to write the following numbers in ascending order. मतलब कि सबसे small से सबसे big. So सबसे small कौन सा है? 3, then 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now here 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 and 9. Now we have to write the following numbers in descending order. मतलब कि सबसे बड़ा सबसे पहले और फिर उसके बाद छोटे छोटे छोटे. Which is the largest number over here? 9. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 3. Here 9, 8, 6, 4, 3 and 2. Here 9, 8, 6, 5, 4 and 3. All right. Now, how do you know that you have arranged the numbers correctly in decreasing order? मतलब अगर वो descending order में है तो मतलब वो decreasing order में है. Okay, now this is a fun exercise. There are number names given over here. You have to find the number names in the crossword puzzle and circle it. I'll do one for you. O-N-E, 1. T-W-O-2. Now you have to find T-W-O-2 with your family, with your friends, with your parents and have fun with the chapter. So that's all for today in this chapter. I hope you have learned that which one is smaller, which one is bigger, what is increasing, what is decreasing, what is ascending order, what is descending order. Please revise at home and have fun.